Revise plotting straight line graphs with me. Plotting straight line graphs, a question that often comes up on the Edexcel AQA paper, foundation paper. How do we do it? So y equals 2x plus 5. This is our equation and our instructions that we're going to use to generate the coordinates. The x and the y stand for the coordinates. So that's the y coordinate. And to get to the y coordinate, it is equal to 2 lots of the x coordinate, 2 times the x coordinate, and then we add 5 to it. So if x is 2, we need to do 2 times 2 plus 5 to get to our y coordinate. So where x is 2, y is going to be 2 times 2. The 2 there has been replaced from the x. And then we're going to add 5. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 add 5 is 9. So that's a pair of coordinates there. When x is 2, y is 9. And you can plot that on the graph. When x is 2, y is 9. X first, followed by the y. When x is 1, y is going to be 2 times by. Now x is 1. We replace the x with 1. 2 times 1 plus 5. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. So when x is 1, y equals 7. Another coordinate. X is 1, y is 7. They've given us our third there of 0, 5. And they've given us another one here, negative 2, 1. Right, finally, when x is negative 1, y is going to be 2 lots of negative 1, add 5. 2 lots of negative 1 is negative 2. Negative 2, add 5 is positive 3. And it should always make a straight line, okay? For a straight line graph, if it's in the form y equals mx plus c, should always be a straight line. We can then simply draw the straight line that goes through the values. Now it specifically asks for the line between the values of negative 2 to 2. So there we go. It goes from x being negative 2 to x being 2. And a student would know if they've got it wrong if they don't get it in the straight line. I'll just fill in that missing value there, which was 3. There you go.